Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. That is a, what is that? A 5 or 6 inch tile, 5 inches probably, I'm going to assume. This is some tricorn black from Sherwin-Williams. And it's a little looser than the white, so pretty happy to use it. I have some leftover paint, and I'm adding paint now so that I can maybe spread the design out. I don't often do tiles, but I have a couple boxes, so I'm really thinking I should. And I have another tile in case this one works, as well as I'm hoping. And I'm not too worried about cells because I've got beautiful paint. And maybe I'll just drip onto the other tile because I can't imagine a better way to make that work. Oh, I lost all my red. But I've got cool patterns happening on my other tile, which might be the one I spin out. I'd like to not drop this, please. The powers that be. Hopefully my head isn't completely obscuring your view. Let's rest that right on there. If I don't like the first one, I'll just put some cell activator on it and we'll blow on it. I might actually put, there's plenty of pillow paint in there. I might put some jasmine right on top of that white spot and do what I did the other day and do a tattered bloom if I can manage it. Come on, drip down. Okay, so there's one. Not sure about that one. I'll put it aside for right now. I'll just take that leftover paint and grab some of my jasmine. Tempting tulip would work too. Jasmine is primary element. Just for grins, let's do an experiment and put some of that quinacridone nickel azo gold on top of it. If I can get it out. Doesn't seem to be coming out. It's time to clear the tip. Tip is cleared. Hopefully I didn't knock the little tab of paint back in. Alright, that looks like, to me, that should be enough. So let's do the black and the white. Amsterdam black, Amsterdam white. And probably just because I can, I'll probably spin that out. Although I'm going to put some more black in the center because I'm not all that thrilled with the white. Should have made it purple, that would have been perfect. I'll grab a straw. Maybe bring some petal shapes in. Because I can. And give it a moment to spin out. I think I better cover that up. Cover me up at least. That's the back wall. Sorry about that. That just means I'm too close. I'm never confident that little tiny tiles will spin out like I'd like them to. guess that'll work. I just need something to put it on. My inexperience is showing. I like the black and white border. It's pretty cool. Alright, one down. And those cells will probably keep right on expanding. Let me grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Take the paint right off, thereby removing the possibility of slippage, somewhat anyway. Let's put some more jasmine in there. I like trying things I wouldn't normally try. Let's use some of my Royal Sapphire. Which I will probably lose most of. Alright, rather than do anything to that right now, although I can, let's put some cell activator in and see what happens. Okay, I like that. I'm going to do it again. Several more times, in fact. Let's put some white in the center. No, not that white. This white. Now let me grab a straw, because that might be easier. Alright, I'm going to spin it out just because I can. Maybe I'll tip it first. Have I got a dish to pour into? I got the same dish I was pouring out of. I can pour right back into it. After all, why not? Love those cells. The nickel, the Azo Gold is astonishing for me. I have no intention of stopping using it anytime soon. I like random patterns. And now we have even more interesting patterns. Come on, you can do it. Move right down. Maybe a little help won't hurt anything. Like that. That definitely needed to happen. Okay, what do we got? Anything interesting? Yeah, I like that. Let me grab a paper towel. It's a paper towel kind of day. It's not my usual MO, but I'm liking what's going on, so I'm going to try and zoom in. I need a skewer first, though, because I'm thinking that looks like the perfect place for a spiral. A couple of them. Couple, 3, 4. Yep, why not? Couple of tiles, some random patterns. Let's grab the other one back again. That's pretty neat. I do like accidental art, I have to say. I don't think I would do it if I didn't. completely different tiles, same paint. Let's move those so you can see them better. I'll be peeling them up and touching up their edges if I need to. Oh, that's as far as it's going to go. Darn. Well, maybe I can fix that in a second. In the meantime, they're looking pretty slick. I'm liking them a lot. And I love you guys. Thank you for stopping by my work, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I think that's enough for now. A couple of little tiles. Hopefully you can see them. And know that I love you guys. I have 2 books. They're on the Amazon link. If you shop there, it's not what it costs you, but my 2 books are there along with a whole bunch of other great stuff. Paints and tools and toys. All right, you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.